because of BCN3D's IDEX technology, we were not only able to reduce printing time to a minimum, but also costs. And that's a very important selling point to our customers. Replique is the first fully encrypted 3D printing platform that offers OEMs an efficient and sustainable way of providing spare parts on demand worldwide and at any time. So with Replique you can save all your parts on our digital inventory where they are available at any time, and you can use our 24/7 manufacturing network to produce them. Our customers are basically ranging over any industry where spare parts are needed, so for example in heavy machinery, in transport, in construction or agriculture. Our goal is to make spare parts and first series available on demand using our digital inventory. And right now 3D printing is the only economically viable option to do so. Our customer, German premium home appliance manufacturer Miele, is a good example from the consumer goods industry. They use our platform to quickly and cost-efficiently produce new accessories for their customers.
BASF Forward-EM is a 3D printing company located in Heidelberg, Germany, that focuses on 3D printing materials such as filaments, resins and powders, as well as different services, among those designs, simulation and post-processing. Replique and BASF Forward-EM has integrated different designs for Miele. Miele offers different accessory parts such as a borehole cleaning aid, which is an accessory that you plug on your vacuum cleaner. Once you stick it to the wall, it holds up independently and you have both hands free to drill the hole. We have a valuable separator that protects all the small parts from being sucked in when vacuum cleaning. And then you have a coffee clip that helps you to open and close a coffee bag and doses the coffee beans, keeps them fresh. The production of food contact parts must meet the highest safety requirements to ensure that no chemicals actually migrate from the part into the food to protect human health. Miele was looking for a solution to produce these new accessory parts without huge ramp-up costs. Being toolless, 3D printing offers the opportunity to quickly enter the market and manufacture these parts even for small series numbers.
There are a lot of different advantages 3D printing offers to us and also to our customers. Combined with a digital inventory, you can produce the spare parts on demand. That means you don't need any physical warehouse anymore. You also have less cost in logistics, and you also can eliminate supply chain risks. So spare parts are available when you need them, which also reduces the downtime of your customers.